This 2015 Open Range Light LT308BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This used open range is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Diego interior, sleeps 10, LP detector, oven, TV antenna, skylight, slideout, self-contained, DVD player, spare tire kit, Colorado detector, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Open Range Light LT308BHS is 8,770 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.